Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Shiloh Brandenburg, and I am a librarian at the Katy Branch. I thought today I would share some tips and tricks with you about finding books. I know a lot of people come into libraries all the time asking, where can I find books for my kids? Where can I find books for myself? And I know you're looking for quality materials, so I'm going to show you some quick Google searches that you can do to find those books, and especially if you're looking for something in particular. So follow along with me. I'm just going to share my screen and then I will show you how to search that real quick. So the first thing we're looking at is ALA book lists. Now, ALA stands for the American Library Association. This is an organization that's run by teachers, librarians, all kinds of people, and their main job is to make sure that we get you the information that you need. So by putting in ALA book lists, which is right up here in the search bar, you're going to see this pop up possibly, but the first thing you're going to be interested in is this recommended reading ALA LibGuides link. And you will know that it's the right one because the link is libguides.ala.org. So we're just going to click on that. And when the screen loads, this is what you're going to see. It is the recommended reading homepage, and you're going to see tabs for all sorts of things. So if you're looking specifically for children, if you're looking for young adults, if you're looking for adults, if you want to do it by levels, you can really explore and find all kinds of things. I usually hang out here in the Celebrating Diversity tab. We have children's books, adult books, all kinds of things. And if you look here at the bottom, there's an organization called We Need Diverse Books. And that is actually something else that you can Google if you're interested. So let me go to this other tab. And in this tab, I put in We Need Diverse Books list. And it pulls up their website, diversebooks.org. And instead of a list, they just have where to find diverse books. So once you click on here, it'll take you to their website, which is also run by professionals, so you always know you're getting good information. And if you scroll down the page, it's divided by sections. So there's all kinds of things. American Indian, here's your regular book awards. There's books for disabilities. There's Jewish books. I mean, really things that maybe you didn't even think about. And so it's good to make sure that you just have a variety of reading material. And this is a really good way to find it. The last thing that I want to point your attention to is an organization called TLA. So just like you had American Library Association, ALA, TLA stands for the Texas Library Association. Now this is where your school teachers and your school librarians are getting their books to send home for homework assignments. So these reading lists, if you Google TLA book lists and you click on the first link at txla.org, reading lists, now, this is where you're going to find the information that's most relevant to schools, but there's all sorts of levels of books. So if you have little ones, age 2 to grade 2, maybe you want to look at the 2x2 books. We have Little Maverick books, which is graphic novels. So if you have kids who are really into graphic novels, here's a good place to find quality materials for them. There's the Spirit of Texas, the Texas Bluebonnet Ward, there's a Texas Topaz. I mean, there's a whole bunch on here, and it really will help you maybe get ahead, help you find things that are similar. Like I said, quality, if that's something that you're looking for, this is definitely the place to find them. And these are just 3 really quick Google searches that you can do and browse and find materials. We offer ebooks, so you can go look through our catalog, maybe find some of these titles, and give you something to look at while you're at home. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are looking for something in particular, if you have any questions about this, feel free to leave comments. Feel free to send us a message. We're always here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good day.